Hi everyone, it was about time to have the RTX graphic card on PC Crazy channel, and what a better way than to have the GeForce RTX 11GB 2080 Ti Duke model from MSI Gaming. And today we're going to practically unbox it, and I'm going to connect it in a separate video in a computer, and then I'm going to show you in this one some tests, definitely going to play some games and see if, well, for instance, ray tracing and that kind of stuff, even though I know you've seen probably some tests already with the RTX cards, but it's a different thing when it's on a different channel, right? So yeah, let's unbox it first. Let's see the card. I'm really curious. I already seen it, to be honest. This wasn't something like I usually do, you know, when I wait for the unboxing moment right live in the video, but never mind that. Here we have some MSI envelope. Let's check it out, what we got here. We have loads of stuff actually. We have the thank you from MSI. You have the Lucky the Dragon Computer Workshop, where it shows you how to and what to do with connecting the graphic card to your computer. Next thing, we have installation guide, graphic card support bracket. Okay, we get that as well. So you have the manual for that, you have the DVD for the drivers, and you have the MSI graphic card user quick user's guide. Also, you have two MSI coasters. You have Eat, Sleep, Game, Repeat. Nice. And Gaming is My Life. So yeah, that is also really cool, because usually you don't get that much stuff with graphic cards or motherboards or whatever. But yeah, this is something cool. And we have here the bracket that holds the GPU from sagging, and it looks really nice. You even have a rubberish part here, so you don't scratch with the metal part your graphic card, and you have the true gaming MSI. This is really nice and looks really nice, doesn't it? But we'll get to that part later on. We're gonna put it here. Also, you get the 6 to 8 pin connector for the power supply for the graphic card, and that is it. Now it's time for there you go, guys. Now the PCB board for this graphic card is right here, so you have an extended passive part over here and for the coolers. And I have to say, this one is larger than the 1080 Ti, and I have to say it is a really huge graphic card. Now let's see how this would go. So this is it, right? You will place it, well, I will place it like this, but we will check that out later. It supports MSI Mystic lights. It has the LEDs here with the Duke logo over here. You have two 8-pin connectors for the power supply. You have a nice backplate, definitely really nice looking graphic card all together. And what have we got here? You have 3 DisplayPort cables, connectors. You have the HDMI, and you have the Type-C for the VR. And 3 large fans, which look really nice. Look really nice. Let me just check some main features. Now it has triple Torx 2.0 fans, as I said, using 3 of the award-winning Torx 2.0 fans with double ball bearing. MSI Duke graphic card provide years of top-notch cooling performance. Dispersion fan blade, traditional fan blade, they are also different, so they made a complete new model here just with this slick parts on the propellers, and that is really cool. And the motor has the double ball bearing as well. Mastery of aerodynamics. Using advanced aerodynamic techniques, the heatsink is optimized for efficiency, heat dissipation, keeping your temperatures low and performance high. That is all we are asking. And show you true colors, the whole Duke logo here, and the MSI Dragon lights up. It has 11 GB of GDDR6 memory. As I said, for the connections, key features are real-time real-time ray tracing, NVIDIA GeForce Experience, NVIDIA Ansel, NVIDIA Highlights, G-Sync compatible, game-ready drivers, Microsoft DirectX. Oh yeah, for the connection you have DisplayPort 1.4 and the HDMI 2.0B, so that might be interesting for you guys that need a higher frequency of the monitors or high resolutions or that kind of stuff. Now, the minimum requirements, you need 650 watts of power supply or greater, of course, to run this card, and for the drivers you need 1.5 gigabytes of space. Now I would say let's connect this beautiful graphic card. This is later going to go in the table build that I mentioned before, but let's first do some testing on this card and see the results. We're going to change the scenery a bit, and we're going to, well, it's a bit different than my usual place over there with my main computer. We're going to test out the RTX, as I said, 2080 Ti, the Duke MSI graphic card, and later on you might see here a bit of a different monitor here. Now this is the MSI Optics 27-inch curved 2K monitor with 144 Hz and 1 millisecond response time. Now, we're going to do a separate video with that, but today, as I promised, we're going to test out the RTX 2080 Ti and, well, see it in Battlefield 5, and we're going to see how it works. So let's go and play some Battlefield, right? So currently we're having 56 degrees on the graphic card, and we have 44 degrees on the i9-9900K with the NZXT Kraken X52. Now this is really cool because 44 degrees, and okay, even though this is just in the menu, we'll see everything in the game when we get there.
Our soldiers are now in the lead. We've lost the lead now. Take it back. The lead has been lost. Get back at them. They've taken the lead. Take it back.
and there you have it, guys. Now we're not going to test Apex Legends because I think the video for gaming with the Battlefield 5 is quite enough. As you can see, the temperatures were extremely good on the graphic card and on the processor, with the normal air cooling on the graphic card and liquid cooling from Kraken X52 on the i9900K. Now the graphic card is extremely good. I mean, there's no doubt about it. I mean, it's RTX 2080 Ti, and as you can see, it was always pushing to the maximum, so average FPS was 122, and that, I think that depends on the loading screen and how it goes and how it starts. And as you can see, the maximum was 145, even though I think it's 144, and that's it. And that is basically all there is to it. I mean, we tested the RTX 2080 Ti. There was definitely no problem playing the Battlefield 5 on 2K resolution monitor over 132 FPS frames per second. So yeah, very impressive score and very impressive graphics without a doubt. Thank you guys for watching. This was a review about the RTX 2080 Ti that is basically right here in this PC. This is the MSI GeForce RTX 2080 Ti, the Duke edition with 11 gigabytes. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos coming very soon, and of course we have to talk about this monitor as well. So yeah, see you guys, bye bye.